Hello everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're exploring the best Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD, the Corsair MP700 Elite. It's built for extreme speed, durability, and seamless performance in gaming, content creation, and heavy workloads. Let's get started. The Corsair MP700 Elite Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD is designed for high-performance PCs that demand speed and reliability. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or managing large files, this SSD delivers a responsive, lag-free experience. With PCIe 5.0 technology, it pushes your storage performance to the next level, making even the heaviest workloads feel smooth. The standout feature of the Corsair MP700 Elite is its blazing speed. Thanks to the advanced PCIe 5.0 x4 controller, it reaches sequential read speeds of up to 10,000 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 8,500 megabytes per second. This means Windows boots faster, games load almost instantly, and large file transfers happen in the blink of an eye. High-density 3D TLC NAND flash memory ensures the drive is not only fast, but also durable. It maintains performance over years of heavy use, while safeguarding your data. This combination of speed and endurance makes it perfect for both professionals and gamers. Another exciting feature is support for Microsoft Direct Storage. This allows the SSD to communicate directly with compatible graphics cards, reducing bottlenecks and drastically improving game load times. Gamers with DirectX 12 GPUs supporting shader model 6.0 will notice near instantaneous loading and smoother gameplay. Endurance is another area where the MP700 Elite shines. With a rating of up to 1,200 terabytes written, this drive can handle intensive workloads and heavy gaming over many years, giving you confidence that your files remain safe and your system stays reliable. Finally, the SSD's high-speed performance and reliability make it ideal for multitasking. Whether you're editing 4K videos, running multiple applications, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Corsair MP700 Elite keeps your PC responsive and efficient. The Corsair MP700 Elite features a sleek, low-profile M.2 form factor. Its compact design fits easily onto motherboards without blocking other components. Built with quality materials, it combines heat dissipation and durability, ensuring consistent performance even during prolonged heavy workloads. In real life, this SSD transforms everyday PC tasks. Gamers experience faster load times and smoother gameplay. Content creators can edit large video projects with ease, and professionals dealing with big data sets see immediate speed improvements. It's a noticeable upgrade over older storage solutions. The Corsair MP700 Elite Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD is perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts who want extreme speed and long-term reliability. Anyone looking to upgrade their PC with a high-performance, durable storage solution will benefit from this SSD. Want lightning-fast storage for your PC? Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more amazing tech insights. Thanks for watching and enjoy the speed of the Corsair MP700 Elite.